Okay, so after you sign in, you will be on your dashboard and you have a couple options. First of which you can go to Create New, and you have the option to create a video, a recording, which is either a recording of your screen or of a video of you, a GIF, or a podcast. You also have the ability to use a template to start out your project if you don't want to start from scratch. You have the ability to create a project. So say you're working on a project for Black History, you can go to Create Project, type Black History Month Project, and you can either work by yourself with other folks, or you can share it with others. When you create a personal account, it'll ask you to add any media, and then it'll ask you if you want to create a video. But from here, you will see, if I click back projects, that I have a project called Black History Month Project, and I can put any videos inside of here that I've created. Also click on the Media tab, which will include any media that you add. So this includes pictures that you add maybe from your phone, videos from your phone, anything you download will be found in here. You can add this to your video. And then finally, your exports. Your exports are your finished videos. This will provide a list of those videos that you can access at any time. Okay, now we're ready to add media and content to the timeline editor. You'll notice the timeline editor has 3 different layers. Text, which includes any text that you're going to add to your video. Video, which includes the layer that you're going to add any pictures or video. And then audio. Know that when you lay text down, anything that's on the top layer will be on top of the video layer down here. So let's go ahead and do an example. I'm going to go to my images, and I'm going to find this picture here. It's this beautiful picture. And I'm going to drag it down into my video. Now you notice when I go over to the preview screen, press it, and this will last for about 5 seconds. I can also go in and I can add text. So when I want to go to add text, I can go and click text, and you have a couple different options you can explore, but I'm going to click on sample text and drag it down, and I'm going to drag it to match the length of my picture, and I can go in and double click on any of these and change it. So I'll change nature picture, and I can adjust anything here, and you can play around with these options. Then I'm going to hit Save Changes. So now you'll notice that you have the ability to have letters over top of your actual picture. The other thing you can do is just add audio. So say I want to add some music to this. I'm going to click on the song that I want. You can listen to any of these options up here. I'm going to cut it so that it's to the size of my picture and text. And I'm going to press play. And so this is kind of the basics of what you are going to be doing with your WeVideo.